Hello, Jonathan. For today's goal number 1, Jonathan will read this short story and answer what was the main idea of this story. So let's start. John was having a birthday party. He invited all of his friends and family. He wanted a tractor as his birthday present. He was also having a strawberry cake to celebrate. What was he having? A strawberry cake to celebrate. So let's see. So point. What was John celebrating? A birthday, cumplía años, or that he passed a test, que había pasado un examen. ¿Cuál, Jonathan? ¿Cumplía años o pasó un examen? Point to the screen. So good job at pointing. He had a birthday and he ate cake. So let's move on to your next IEP goal. For this goal, circle transportation items. Jonathan, vas a apuntar cuál es un carro, una troca que maneja tu mamá. So, is a boat a transportation? Yes or no? Point. A bike? Do you drive a bike? Yes or no? A bed. Do you sleep in your bed or do you drive a bed? A doll. A monkey. A car. A bus. A van. Truck. A bear. Or a baby. So point or circle your transportation items. Now for question number 2. Circle or point to clothing items. Ropa. ¿Qué te pones, Jonathan? A jacket, your pants, socks. So let's see. Gloves. Is gloves a clothing item? Do you wear gloves? Pants. Pizza. A purse. Socks or colors. So point to the clothing items. Apunta a toda la ropa, Jonathan. So this is going to be your goal number 1 and number 2.